Pret met Afrikaans. Fun with Afrikaans. Please note for grade 1s, all Afrikaans vocabulary taught does not need to be written or read in grade 1. The learners must just know it orally. Goue lokkies en die 3 beere. Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Today we're going to read a story about Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Are you ready? Let's get started. Papa beer, mamma beer en baba beer het saam in 'n klein huis gewoon. Mamma beer het pap gemaak en dit in 3 bakkies geskep. Toe gaan stap hulle in die bos. Do you know what bear is in Afrikaans? It's beer. Repeat after me. Beer. Great. Let's continue. There was a daddy bear, a mummy bear, and a baby bear. In English, we say daddy bear, mummy bear, and baby bear. In Afrikaans, we say papa beer, mama beer, and baba beer. Repeat after me. Papa beer, papa beer, papa beer, mama beer, mama beer, mama beer, baba beer, baba beer, baba beer. What does porridge mean in Afrikaans? It's pap. Repeat after me. Pap. Good job. Now, while the bears were away, a girl named Goldilocks saw the little house in the forest. Goue lokkies kom by die klein huis aan. Sy klop aan die deur. Niemand maak die deur oop nie. Sy gaan binne. In English, we say Goldilocks. In Afrikaans, it's goue lokkies. Repeat after me. Goue lokkies. Goue lokkies. Goue lokkies. Goue lokkies sien 3 bakkies pap. Sy proe die eerste bakkie pap. Dit is te warm. Sy proe aan die tweede bakkie pap. Dit is te koud. Sy proe aan die derde bakkie pap. Dit is net reg. Sy eet alles op. How do we say too hot in Afrikaans? It's te warm. Repeat after me. Te warm. Te warm. Te warm. Well done. Goldilocks then tasted the porridge in the medium bowl, but it was too cold. What is too cold in Afrikaans? It's te koud. Repeat after me. Te koud. Te koud. Te koud. Wonderful. Lastly, she tasted the porridge in the small bowl, and it was just right. How do we say just right for the porridge? It's net reg. Repeat after me. Net reg. Net reg. Net reg. Goue lokkies sien 3 stoele staan. Sy sit op die eerste stoel. Dit is te hard. Sy sit op die tweede stoel. Dit is te sag. Sy sit op die derde stoel. Dit is net reg. Sy sit en sit. Daar breek die stoel. Goldilocks also saw the 3 chairs. She sat in the big chair, but it was too hard. In English, we say too hard. In Afrikaans, it's te hard. Repeat after me. Te hard. Te hard. Te hard. She then tried the medium chair, but it was too soft. How do we say too soft in Afrikaans? It's te sag. Repeat after me. Te sag. Te sag. Te sag. Perfect. Finally, she tried the small chair, and it was just right. What does just right mean for the chairs? It's net reg. Repeat after me. Net reg. Net reg. Net reg. Goue lokkies gaan na die slaapkamer. Sy sien 3 beddens. Sy lê op die eerste bed. Dit is te hard. Sy lê op die tweede bed. Dit is te sag. Sy lê op die derde bed. Dit is net reg. Goue lokkies raak vas aan die slaap. Goldilocks then climbed into the 3 beds. The big bed was too hard. The medium bed was too soft. But the small bed was just right. How do we say bed in Afrikaans? It's bed. Repeat after me. Bed. 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 Toe kom die 3 beere terug huis toe. Wie het aan my pap geproe? Sê Papa Beer. Wie het aan my pap geproe? Sê Mamma Beer. My pap is opgeëet, sê Papa Beer. When the 3 bears returned home, they asked, "Who ate of my porridge? Who ate of my porridge? Who ate of my porridge? My porridge is all up." Hulle sien toe die stoele. Wie het op my stoel gesit? Sê Papa Beer. Wie het op my stoel gesit, sê mamma beer. My stoel is stikkend, sê Baba beer. The three bears seized the chairs. Papa Bear asked, or Daddy Bear asked, "Who sat on my chair?" Mama Bear asked, "Who sat on my chair?" And Baby Bear cried, "My chair is broken." Hulle gaan na die slaapkamer. "Wie het op my bed gelê?" sê Papa Bear. "Wie het op my bed gelê?" sê Mamma Bear. "Kyk, daar slaap 'n dogtertjie in my bed," sê Baba Bear. The three bears went to their bedroom. They asked, "Who slept in my bed?" Baby Bear said, "Look, there's a little girl sleeping in my bed." Goue Lokkies skrik wakker. Sy sien vir Papa Bear, Mamma Bear en Baba Bear. "Ek gaan nou huis toe," sê Goue Lokkies. "Nee, wag, Goue Lokkies," sê Baba Bear. Maar Goue Lokkies spring deur die venster en hardloop huis toe. When the three bears finally came home and saw that someone had been sleeping in their beds, sitting on their chairs and eating their porridge, Goldilocks woke up and saw that the bears were back. She quickly ran away, and the bears never heard from her again. Well done.